Today I'm going to show you how to change the shear pin on the Impeller or Induction auger on a Cub Cadet 3-stage snowblower. Handy tip in case you didn't know this, Cub Cadets actually come with extra shear pins mounted to the chute control area. So if you do break one and you have to replace one, you don't have to run out and buy one, which is nice. Just make sure you replace it once you've used it. As you can see by this little bit of damage here, I clipped a rock yesterday when I was snow blowing. In order to remove the shear pin, you're going to need to spin the auger and look through the hole until you see the end of the pin. Which it looks like that's it right there. Next, we'll use a punch and a hammer to drive that out. There we go, pin popped out. All right, next up we'll install the new pin. All right, done. So that only took a couple minutes and we're good to go. Locked in and should be ready to roll.